Jeff Ostrom. I'm an executive financial planner within the 1618 group. February being the month of love, Valentine's Day and all, and I hope you guys went and bought your chocolates and your gifts like you were supposed to. Did you, however, buy your life cover? Because life cover can be seen as an act of love. Now, you may be thinking, well, that's a little bit contrite, Jeff. You just want to sell another life cover policy. But the reality is, in our line of work, unfortunately, we've seen what life does to people. We've seen how dread diseases, disabilities, and death can decimate families and decimate financial resources for people. And like you, I'm the same. I actually don't think it's ever going to happen to me. You know, we live in a very closeted mind space, or a very egotistical mind space, that we're better than the rest, and these kind of things only happen to other people. But you know, life doesn't pick and choose based on your demographic, and doesn't pick and choose based on your financial ability. Life sometimes happens, and that's the reason why we put life cover in place. So why would life cover be an act of love? Let's look at various scenarios. Estate planning is a big one, which I don't think a lot of people focus on, primarily because I think they think, well, I'm dead, it's going to be someone else's problem, and surely it can't be that big. But estate planning it's punitive, and it really can be debilitating to leaving money towards beneficiaries when you have to pay money to the government for your passing. So having life cover in place that takes care of those costs, that allows your assets or your money or your investments or whatever items it is that are dear to you to be bequeathed to your family or to your beneficiaries without them having to incur costs on inheriting it. So that would be act of love number one. Act of love number two would be the scenario where a mom or a dad, typical South African kind of family, building up resources, trying to buy a home, putting the kids through school, looking at career opportunities for themselves. But in essence, they're financing vehicles, they're financing properties, financing credit cards, and for a large part of the existence, it's month to month. Now, the act of love here is neither mom nor dad wants to pass away. But it happens, and we all know that story. And you don't want to be in a position where your kids are unable to be educated, or more devastatingly, your family aren't able to keep the home that you've worked towards, along with all the dreams and ideas. So life cover being an act of love in this situation, they'll never replace you when you're gone. No amount of money could ever replace you. Your life is way more valuable than that. But the lives of the people who are left when you are gone can be incredibly impacted and touched for the positive through your death by having the right level of life cover that meets the needs of properties, cars, children, education, and long-term prospects.